This video is intended to discuss how to access the online lessons for this course. There's several ways that you can access the online lesson. You can access it through a link in the calendar, a link under Coming Up if it's one of the next assignments, so we could access this online lesson. We can access it through Assignments, which will have a list of our whole assignments. We can access it under Syllabus, which will have a whole list of our assignments under Syllabus. And finally, we can access it under Modules. Now, this is going to be done for a 150 course, but most of the courses are set up the same, and so the general principles will all be the same. So let's go ahead and access an online lesson. So when we get to this screen, we're going to click on the button Load SoftJaw Cloud in a new window. That is our online lesson. Now, as a reminder, the browsers that the online lessons work best in are Firefox and the newest version of Internet Explorer. They do not work well in Chrome, unfortunately. So we click on this button, and we get to our online lesson. And the first thing you'll see is a Score Center instruction the first time you log into any particular lesson. It's just reminding you to click Finish when you're done to have your score recorded into Canvas. So we click Continue, and we see that our lesson was successfully connected to the Score Center. That's what's going to keep track of our score. So as we go through the lesson, there's going to be video, content. Some of them will have outlines to help you out. There'll be text poppers for you to check, and there will be questions for you to answer. So when you answer a question, you make sure to hit Check Answer, and you got 0. And that little symbol said it was successfully recorded to the Score Center, but until we click Finish, it will not be recorded in Canvas. So we're not going to click Finish until we have a score that we're satisfied with. If you ever want to restart the lesson, just close it and reopen it from Canvas, or you could even refresh it and start over again. So notice this one. This is a quiz group. Let's talk about this. So we're going to answer each question one at a time. And once you answer a question, you can save the progress. Now that didn't check it for me, but now I don't have to go back and re-answer it. So if you have a problem that has 7 parts and you answered 4 of them, you could save the progress, go work on another page or work on something else, come back and work on it. Once you close the browser or refresh the browser, you will need to start the lesson over again. But that's how you can also retry the lesson for more points. We click Next, and we'll get to try another one. And I click Next, and now I can finally check my answers, and I see I got a 2 out of 2. So you're going to continue through the lesson this way, getting the points. This will keep track of your score here. On the last page of the lesson is where you're going to find the Finish button. For our courses, you do not need to do this, print the certificate or the score summary. Those are for other courses. We're going to click Finish, and now our score has been submitted. This means it's been successfully put into Canvas. If you would like, you can get a score receipt sent to your email if you would like to keep that for your records, just in case you want a record of your score to see what happened. So that's how you're going to do an online lesson. You can do these as many times as you like. You have unlimited attempts. They should be at least started, and your first score should be submitted by the due date, and then you can work on them till the end of the semester to improve your score, and Canvas will automatically record the highest score. So if you have any questions, let me know. But this is how these are what are referred to as the online lessons. This is where you're going to get the content for the course before you go on to the homework.